It's been an entire year since I've cleaned this patio. My last video last year was actually the last time I did this. As you can see here, it's in some desperate need of a little bit of refreshing. I have a lawn service that comes and does my yard every week, so on Fridays I pull up my landscape lights to make it easier for them to weed eat. Those have been on that table for a month now. I've had these pillows on my patio for a little bit over 3 years now. I'm going to link them as well as everything that I can in the description box below. These pillows have faded a little bit. That gray color used to be a little bit darker gray, but they matched the rug when I first bought it 2 years ago. And the pillows are waterproof and the cover is waterproof, and they are really good quality, and so is the pillow cover. And they're affordable. They're not super expensive for outdoor pillows. Now the cushions, the seats here on the actual patio furniture, those are a little bit more expensive, and normally you're going to pay out the wazoo for patio furniture seat cushions, and they're not good quality. I 1000% recommend these cushions from this company, also linked in the description. I have had those cushions on my patio furniture for 4 years. They sit in the hot Texas sun 24/7, 365. They have not faded one pixel of color the entire time I've had them. I keep meaning to fill these with sand. Right now they only have water in them and the water evaporates, and you can see when I lift it up some of the water leaks out, but I haven't really been super motivated to fill that tiny hole with sand, so I just keep refilling them with water to keep my umbrella from falling over. I'm really sad to be getting rid of this rug because I loved it when I got it, but it's definitely seen better days and is in desperate need of a replacement. This is a direct result of my dogs sitting on the patio furniture. What you don't see here is me fighting with this hose to try and get that spray nozzle off, and after realizing there is no way I'm getting it off by myself and I don't want to wait for my husband to do it, I just went to the store and bought a new hose. Plus I needed one for the spigot in the front of the house anyway.
Move on. I got things to do, all without you. Tell me how I can make this easier, yeah, guide me. I don't want you to get too hurt, there's no need for screams or shouts or ugly words, no. I'm done with getting hate from love, you see, love. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own.
These cushion covers are removable and washable. The cushion underneath is also waterproof. Normally I would take them all off and put them through the washer, but I just decided since I had the pressure washer out, I was just going to clean them that way, and to be honest, they came just as clean this way as they would have if I would have gone through all that other effort.
I know you're eager to move on with us, but you know I never do the long-term stuff, so let go and hope for better luck next time, 'cause I'm done with time-consuming love, you see. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die.
I've had this patio furniture a little over 4 years. This conversation set and the dining room table set were both purchased from Walmart. I think I paid like around $250 for this set. Well, actually not me, my husband, because he bought it for me for my birthday. But the conversation set was around $250, and I think the dining room table set was like around $200. And you can see here the steel frame is a little bit faded. I thought about maybe spray painting it black, but then I changed my mind because of course once you spray paint something, then you have to deal with always painting it, and I don't really care if it's faded. I'm going to link a similar set of this furniture down below. So if you're looking for some really affordable but pretty well built furniture, I definitely recommend this. Now the cushions that you get with the patio furniture are not going to be that great, and they might just last you for the summer. So plan on replacing them, and then when you do replace them, use that other link in my description box for the other cushions.
You're all that I'm about, loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby, 'cause I can go without. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his soothe. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love. 'Cause I'm never gonna get enough. Can't say I'm hurting, baby, but I don't feel too good. It's like I'm burning lately when you're not in my blood. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control.
You know what's funny about this pressure washing here is the dirtiest part of my patio is where the rug was. You would think that under the rug wouldn't be as dirty. I suspect it's just because all the dirt gets trapped in the rug and then goes onto the patio, and it never gets washed away because there's a rug there. The rest of the patio gets wet and washed away when it rains. But anyway, I'm just going to pressure wash the whole entire patio here. I am not going to bore you with all of the pressure washing, but there's a lot of pressure washing, so I do apologize for that. As you see the light get brighter and darker throughout this video, it's because there was a storm coming through. So I was also trying to beat the storm, thinking it was going to rain on me any second, but I got lucky and it never did rain. But that's why you see the light fluctuations, is because there's a dark cloud passing over.
From you, Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his soothe.
This pressure washer was also an Amazon find. We got this to replace the gas pressure washer because it was just so cumbersome to lug around, and I don't know, I don't like the gas one, so I never used it. But this electric one is so portable and easy to move around. I use this for the driveway, the sidewalk out front, the patio. I mean, the patio only gets washed once a year. But all the other things, it's easy to just pull it out real quick and pressure wash the house, the eaves, the car, the bicycles, just whatever.
Lately I've been going through some hard stuff. Getting knocked down, getting right back up. Only mistake I made was thinking you would have my back, but it's one-way track. That's right, now I've had enough. Your bad behavior isn't what I'm worth, no, that's right. Now I've had enough. You don't see it, but I see it. Ooh, I'm Mars while you're on Jupiter, speaking with a different native tongue. You're egocentric, I'm a publicker. You don't ever get me. Ooh, I developed, you're still the same. Used to problems while I see keys. Even though we always will be friends, but sometimes you grow apart. You're taking all your problems all on me.
I was going to take this cover off and pressure wash the entire barbecue grill, but I recently saw a video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, I don't remember where it was, but it was somebody cleaning off their patio, doing a spring cleaning, and they opened up the barbecue grill and there was a rat nest in there. I am terrified to open this grill and find something like that, so I'm just leaving it closed and I'm going to let somebody else open it and maybe find a rat's nest. Now, there's no indication that I have a rat or a rat's nest in there. I'm just afraid of finding that, so I'm not going to open it. When I was looking for a rug replacement, I was looking for something that wasn't too expensive because of the dogs and the condition of the old one. I didn't want to buy something expensive because I know I'm just going to have to buy another one in a couple years anyway. So I found this one on Amazon. It was actually on sale for $78. And when I unrolled it and saw it up close in person, I was like, man, this is a really good rug. I've had multiple outdoor rugs in the past and I usually have to replace them every couple of years just because of the weather conditions, dogs, whatever. So that's why I don't want to buy anything super expensive. But this one, even if I only have it for 2 years, $78 for this 8x10 outdoor rug is a fantastic price, and it's really, really excellent quality. And just in case it's not obvious why I'm getting this brand new rug wet, is because I want all of the rolls to come out of it. I don't want the ends to curl up, so if I spray it with water and get it wet, it will lay down perfectly flat.
I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. You said hi and I thought, here we go. Can you tell that I am all but sober? Never realized my friends went home. Suddenly you're all I need. The situation, it gets me frustrated. It's all in my head. I fall in love way too easily. I always need to remind myself nothing of what I feel is real. But I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. I know that it's just a crush, but I always read way too much into stuff. Nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush.
These screens that I'm pressure washing are solar screens, and they're screwed onto the frame of the house, or I guess the frame around the window. So I can't easily take them off to clean the screens or the windows. So I'm just pressure washing the screen, and the window on the other side can be clean or not clean. I don't really care. That's also my kitchen window, in case that also is not obvious when I'm in my kitchen looking out. This is my kitchen window.
Some paper in the trash. I never knew love could.
You know how you're pressure washing and you just kind of get in the zone and you just spray everything? That's what I did to this. Why did I think I could pressure wash a light? A glass light sitting on a table. So stupid.
Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me
After I made the decision to pressure wash the other cushions after I had already removed them, I decided this time I don't need to actually remove them, I'm just going to leave them on the chairs. And they're not hard to remove, they just have like those little clips or straps that like buckle around the back so they don't blow off or fall off of the seat. And originally when I did the other ones, I was going to take them off and wash them just like I always do, but then I was like, nah, I'm going to pressure wash them. And they turned out really good. So I'm saving myself the trouble here, and I'm not even going to take these off the seat. I'm just going to pressure wash them right where they are.
Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love?
When I bought this rug, I bought it because it was on sale. Not because it was anything special or fantastic or matched anything that I already had. But after I got it and I unrolled it just today, I realized the original pillows that came with this furniture that I never used matched this rug perfectly. These pillows have been stored in this container in my garage for 4 years. And now that I have this new rug, they could not match more perfectly. So for $0, I am refreshing my patio with new pillows that are not technically new. And of course, with any cleaning project, there is always the aftermath of all the things that you throw aside while you're cleaning.
Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
I know this camera angle kind of looks crooked, but it's actually not. There's a hill in my backyard, so immediately after my patio, my backyard starts to slope down pretty bad. On this side that you're looking at, it's not as bad as the other side. It's like difficult to even walk up, much less mow. So that's another reason why I'm thankful to now have a landscape service that does my yard, because I used to mow this entire yard by myself, and it's hard work, people. Mowing your yard is hard work.
Think I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer.
I took these photos after the sunset when my patio lights came on, and I'm including them here so you can see how pretty it is at night when the lights are on. As always, thank you so much for choosing my video to spend a couple minutes of your time today. I do appreciate it so very much. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week.